Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn to optimize PDF from File Async API in JavaScript using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Then, enter the JavaScript sample code. You can get the JavaScript sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 13, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 17, input the source PDF file name. For line 21, type in your desired output file name. Then, set async to true. Once you're done setting up the code, let's run the program. In your terminal, type in npm install request module for file upload. Then, type the node app.js to see the result. Once the program runs successfully, it will return a job ID that you may use for job check. As you can see, the output will be saved as result.pdf. Let's check the folder to see the result. Here's the PDF document output that we successfully compressed and reduced its size. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.